to give you an idea of what the total dissolved particles. It's showing about 4, which is too high. Too high for this project. So you want to get distilled water. To show you what the distilled water is, anything from 0 or a 1 total dissolved solids is adequate for this. 2 or more, no can do. So here we're doing, this is a test of distilled water that I just get at my local grocery store. Okay, it's showing 0. Sometimes it does show up as a 1, but that's within the parameters. Okay. Now, you fill up your flask, but not all the way. You want to leave about an 1/8 inch gap below the stopper. I'll show you that in just a minute. Here we go. And then just gently place the stopper in. You don't want to push it down, just set it in there. Now, what you want to make sure that you've got is about an 1/8 inch air gap between the water and the stopper, so it will turn off automatically. The silver electrodes are in there parallel and plumb, and you've got about an 1/8 inch exposed here at the top, because we're going to attach the alligator clips to that. But first, I am missing a step. The Silver Lungs generator comes with a magnet that allows it to stir. I just drop that in there, make sure it's centered. We place the stopper in. Alligator clips go on. Now I have set in the back, there is a dial position for low and high. Low will give you about 9, 10, or 11 parts per million ionic silver solution, and it generally takes me about an hour and a half. If I set it to high, I can get up to 20 parts per million, but you add another hour to that. So I'm just, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to do a low setting. Should take about an hour and a half. Turn the power on. I think, yeah. Now, you'll notice the green light has come on, showing that it's running. The great thing about this generator is I can turn it on and forget it. It'll shut off automatically, assuming that you've done the proper spacing of the water. The green light will turn to blue, showing that it's completed its process, and I'll resume the video after this is completed. Okay, as you can see,